Hi there. In this quick video we will be taking a look at these storage boxes from Livarno Home, basically a Lidl. You might be wondering what's up with them. Well, I realized something. It's much better to have everything in transparent plastic boxes than in cardboard boxes. It's easier when you are searching for something, even if it's that at the bottom you have a big chance of seeing it from one of the sides without getting everything out. And you always basically know, okay, in this box we have that, in that box we have that, blah blah blah. In cardboard boxes you need to write on them. Yeah, much more complicated, and you lose track of things. And this will be also compared with the ones from IKEA, because IKEA sells something similar but double the price. Initially I bought some of the ones from IKEA, and then an offer came at Lidl with these things, and I said, wait a second, I might want to buy a few of them. Maybe too many. Anyway. We'll see. I might have overdid it, but yeah. So, a bit of info. Storage boxes, they all come with a lid. At IKEA you buy the box and buy separate the lid. So box plus lid from IKEA at 11 liters. These have 10 liters, so a fraction smaller. At IKEA is twice the price of one from Lidl. And they are almost identical. I will show you. So if you need any info, these are the sizes. I will link the IKEA video in the description. Maximum load 4 kilos. I'm not going to put more than 4 kilos in one of these boxes. And they are stackable. In my current situation, I don't think I need to stack more than 2 of them anywhere. And as far as I know, you can actually stack 3 of them with the max weight of 4 kilos each. So that's good. I don't think there's any on the back. Let's take a look at one which is already assembled, because I was doing some dimension checking in my space to make sure that I bought what I needed. So how they look. This from the lid goes into this slit right here. Quite decent. Do we have a crack in here? That would have been bad. No crack. In theory they say that this plastic is unbreakable. So that means it's not the brittle type, and as you can see, yeah, it's quite bendy. Matte on the edge, completely transparent in here and completely transparent in here, but matte where it will also scratch by itself. The bottom is almost flat. On the IKEA we will see it's not almost flat. And yeah, when they are stacked, there is an edge here to make sure the next one actually doesn't come out of the edge, which is perfect. And I think I have 2 of them in here. Yeah, I have 2 of them in here. One with lid and one without. So let's get one from IKEA and do a bit of comparison. This is from IKEA, this is from Lidl. The IKEA one also has something that goes over the lip in this case. So somewhat similar design. This doesn't go over the lip, goes into a channel. Into a slit actually, but yeah. IKEA has this, so you can grab it from here, but that loses a bit of space inside. So as you can see, they are at the same level mostly here, and IKEA needs to be longer to have the same volume. I will put the sizes on this and this now. So in height, this is just a bit taller, but overall 10 liters, 11 liters, and this occupies more space. It's also at the bottom not as efficient because it has this, you can see, unused. In here they are actually used, so it's available space inside, but they are also smaller, so this is useless for me, this particular space in here. Overall, this design, I like it more. It's more compact for almost the same thing. This does seem to be a bit... Let me just check. No, I think actually this is stiffer than this. Yep, this is stiffer. Yep, this is also bending by itself. So this is a bit stiffer. Transparency, they are about the same. Let's see materials. What materials do we have? So made in Poland. PPR. Do we have any materials on this? We should have them. I only see the recycling mark. Presumably, and this should be somewhere on IKEA also, but I cannot see it now. Let's see again the transparency. Nah, IKEA is marginally better in transparency. Marginally better. But also a bit shinier, I think. Anyway, do we not have the material? Yeah, I think we have it here. Let me try and focus on it somehow. Oh no, we have it there. So it's PP. PP instead of PPR. And any more info in here? Camera. I know it's hard to focus on something that's transparent. Focus on my hand, please, and maybe it will work on this too. Oh, this is hard to do. Sorry about that. I'm trying to force my camera. My bad. Okay, finally got the info. Yeah, let me search online. PP versus PPR, which is better? And this post right here is perfect for what we need. Basically, PPR from IKEA. It's a bit of an improvement over PP. So, increased transparency, exactly as I saw, improved impact resistance, increased flexibility, exactly as I saw, reduced melting temperature. That doesn't affect us at all. So overall, it's good in here where you can mostly find it. But yeah, it seems the IKEA material it's a bit better, but not to justify double the price in my book. So we'll see in time how they hold. You can always ask me in the comments, obviously. Just overall, IKEA a bit better transparency. It seems it's better in terms of impact resistance, but I also, from what I feel, I don't think this will create problems. The system occupies a bit more space for almost the same volume. It's quite clear. Cover moves a little bit on IKEA. On this doesn't move at all. But yeah, only time will tell, honestly. They are close, but for the price I would go with this 99% at the moment at least. But then again, Lidl does not sell bigger than the 10-liter ones. In IKEA you can go up to 165, I might be wrong, liters, but anyway, huge ones. For Lidl, this is the max, and they have a smaller variant, and that's about it. A downside to the Lidl boxes, but not a huge one, is that when you pick them up from here, there is a slight chance that you undo this thing. It sometimes happens, especially if the box is quite heavy. When you lift it, yeah, now obviously it will not do it on camera. I've had it happen. Anyway, it cannot happen to the IKEA one. They have a separate handle, but then again, the IKEA needs to be bigger in order to have this. So I can deal with this. Not a deal breaker for me. Just want to mention some of the lids are a bit warped. maybe from transport, but I think they will be fine in time. I needed to change the spacing in here where I'm going to deposit stuff, but now I could put in a lot of boxes. I must say I totally approve of these boxes. I have pieces of radiators, heavy metal, plastics, kind of heavy stuff in them. You can see the wood bowing in there. The boxes are doing just fine. So, yep, for me, they are a go. At this price, honestly, they are kind of beating the IKEA ones. So, what can I say? Hope this video helps you, in which case, please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.